One more time, breathe in, breathe out. Okay? Now you concentrate, using your brain power here. Okay? Remember the glowing ball? Alright? Okay, look at this card. Okay? Imagine, think. Yellow 6, correct? This is yellow 6. Okay? Tell me what is this? This is a letter.
It could, it's green or it could be a Z or N.
Z or N, huh? It's N. It could be a Z or N. Okay, you're right. Yeah. Okay, you're right. You can see actually. Very interesting, eh?
White and F.
Letter F, right? Very good, okay?
Green and K.
Okay. Okay, even more complicated. Huh? These are easy for her. Okay, now I'm going to give you a big card. You tell me what is on this card. Okay? Focus.
Bunny.
Sorry?
Bunny.
Bunny. A bit. Okay, this one. What is this?
Vegetable.
Vegetable, right? Cabbage.
I don't know how to say the name.
You don't understand. Never mind, it's okay.
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear. Huh? Amazing, huh? Okay.
Shirt.
T-shirt, right? T-shirt. Okay. What is this?
Tiger.
Tiger. How do you see it? Tell me, Mommy. There's something on your forehead here, right? You see the picture here.
It's the power.
The tower here, yeah. This card is so big. Too near, even you open your eyes so you can see. Can you tell me what is this?
Strawberry.
You're seeing this one. Okay, look at it. Imagine.
Apple.
Yeah, apple, that's right. I got one girl very interesting. She can see the reverse. She always see the reverse. I give her a picture, yes, she saw tomato. We see the other side. So they talk, yeah. Okay, what is this?
Clock.
Clock. Right, fantastic, right? Okay, one more.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Okay, good, very good. Finish.